Hey there, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into one of the essential tools for any aspiring YouTuber or content creator, lighting. And not just any lighting, but the best light bulbs for YouTube videos available in the market, the EMART full spectrum light bulb. Now, before we get into the nitty-gritty, if you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell to stay updated on all our latest reviews and recommendations. So, let's talk about why these bulbs are a game changer for your YouTube setup. The EMART full spectrum light bulb is specifically designed for photography, photo, and video studio lighting. With a color temperature of 5500 Kelvin and a CRI of 80 to 85. These bulbs deliver accurate and natural-looking lighting, perfect for capturing vibrant and lifelike visuals. What sets these bulbs apart is their full-spectrum lighting, which means they emit a soft white natural light, mimicking natural daylight. This is crucial for achieving professional-looking videos with true-to-life colors. Now, let's talk specs. Each bulb has a wattage of 45 watts, equivalent to a 225-watt incandescent light bulb output. They fit onto any E26, E27 standard socket, making them versatile and easy to use. Plus, with an average lifespan of 8,000 hours, you can rely on these bulbs for long-term use without worrying about frequent replacements. But don't just take my word for it. Customers rave about the performance and value of these bulbs. From providing the perfect amount of fill light for Zoom calls to enhancing the quality of photography and video projects, these bulbs have consistently impressed users. So, whether you're a YouTuber looking to step up your lighting game or a photographer in need of reliable studio lighting, the EMART full spectrum light bulb is the perfect solution. Say goodbye to harsh shadows and dull colors, and hello to professional quality lighting that will make your videos shine. That's all for today's review. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and leave a comment below sharing your thoughts. And as always, remember to check the description box for links to purchase the EMART full spectrum light bulb and other recommended products. Until next time, happy filming!